Hi, Todo Miners. Welcome to my channel, Todo Mining. If you're looking to grow your business without wasting time or money, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into growth marketing, not just flashy ads, but a smart, sustainable approach powered by data science. You'll discover how two simple metrics, lifetime value and customer acquisition costs, can completely transform the way you make decisions. These aren't just numbers, they're your compass for smart, profitable growth. No more guessing, no more blind campaigns, no more blind campaigns. Let's explore how understanding your LTV and CAC can give you the clarity you need to scale with confidence. Okay, want to grow your business without guessing? Then you need growth marketing with data science. Today, I'll show you why LTV and CAC are the metrics that can change everything. Growth marketing was born in Silicon Valley around 2010 when tech startups were looking for fast, effective ways to scale. The key? Tons of experiments, tons of analysis, and data driven decisions. The real challenge in growth is simplifying something as complex as growing a brand, and then and the way to do that is through two essential metrics, LTV and CAC. LTV is lifetime value, and it's how much profit you can make from each customer over time. If you understand that, you know how much you can afford to invest in acquiring them. CAC stands for Customer Acquisition Cost, and it includes everything you spend to bring in a new customer: ads, sales team, promotions, you name it. You calculate it by dividing your total spend by the number of new customers. Ideally, you want your LTV to go as high as possible and your CAC to be as low as possible. Okay? LTV to go as high as possible and your CAC to be as low as possible. That relationship in your strategic compass. Many entrepreneurs make blind decisions because they don't know their numbers. If you're not clear on your LTV and CAC, you can't tell whether your ad investment are worth it, and that's dangerous. To lower your CAC, you can improve your messaging, make your value proposition irresistible, and optimize every step on the funnel, from ads and landing pages to emails. You can even use viral strategies or partnerships. To increase LTV is all about value. You can raise prices if you increase perceived value. You can also offer service levels, cross sales, or encourage frequent purchases. Here's where data science comes in. Use cluster analysis to segment your customers and market basket analysis to find which products or services are both together. That helps you personalize marketing and improve both LTV and CAC efficiency. Don't analyze all your customers as one group. Use cohorts, groups of customers who join during the same period. This reveals patterns and behaviors. This involves patterns and behaviors. Example, a law firm so that real estate clients came back later for estate planning. That's high LTV. When you know your LTV and CAC, you can make confident decisions. You can invest, scale, and optimize. Don't grow blindly. Grow with data. Subscribe to Todo Mining to keep learning about growth marketing, data science, and apply artificial intelligence for business. Your growth starts with information. See you in the next video.